Alright guys, how's it going? We're in the concrete jungle today. That's where we are. Anyway, quick pocket dump. What you got in your pockets, guys? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading what you carry these days. And I got a Sencut Sitius. Great little knife. I love these things. Awesome knife. Spidey flick. Spidey flicks like a dream. It's got a nice flipper tab here. Great little pokey knife. And what else we got? We got the Rough Rider, and this is the VG10 slip joint. What a great knife, eh? Look at that clip point there. Wonderful knife. Awesome half stop. Great bit of kit. I'm enjoying carrying this one. Aluminum handle, great grip, very light. Awesome VG10 steel, sharp as a razor. So we got that, and we got a through night flashlight, and this is the BSS V4. Awesome flashlight. Best flashlight I've ever had. Tactical flashlight, that is. So that's what we're carrying today, guys. Let me know in the comments what you're carrying. Hope you're having a great week. Catch you later. Where's Peanut gone? Oh, there he is. Catch you later. Alright, catch you later, guys.